Mabuhay and welcome to another unboxing video. Today we're going to be taking a look at this, the 2020 MG5 Alpha, and we're gonna see what's special about it. Let's start with the exterior, which of course leads us to the front. As you can see, it's got a lot of chrome, but it's not bad. It's tastefully done. You've got this nice sculpted hood, which gives it a more muscular appeal. And lastly, you've got these LED headlights and park lights, which, it's pretty strong actually. That's why you don't see fog lights down there. Now, for the side, you've got 16-inch two-tone alloy wheels, turn light indicators, and a nice chrome strip that runs below the window sills. Over here at the back, you've got pretty much the same chrome strip running in between the tail lights. That's pretty much it for the exterior. Now let's go check out inside and see what they've done in there. As you can see by the interior, it may look plain to you, but that's just because of the color palette they use, which is black and some chrome accents. But don't let that deceive you. It's got a lot of soft touch panels here on the dashboard. The seats are very nice leather material, so is the steering wheel and the gear shifter. Apart from that, you've got this 10-inch screen which dominates the interior of this car. And this is, by the way, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto capable. Apart from that, you've got steering wheel mounted controls. Both seats here up front are actually automatically adjustable. And lastly, you've got a sunroof. So to sum it all up, this car may look plain to you from the inside, but it's got a lot of toys and features to keep you comfortable and entertained. This top-of-the-line MG5 Alpha comes in at around ₱1,000,000. Given that price, it actually has a lot of features to make a strong case for that price. So if you're looking for something, your first car or maybe a second car for those coding days, this car may be worth a look. Now, if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel below, and don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and on Twitter. This has been Pablo Salapantano of AutoIndustriya. Paalam!